Hi y'all, thanks for stopping by. Designed by Kathy. And of course, I'm Kathy. I appreciate you being here, and today I want to do a fun little pour. It's basically going to be a Dutch pour with a spin. Literally a spin. I did one the other day playing around, and it was a big hit with the hubby, so I thought I'd do another one for you guys because I didn't video that one. Of course, I was just going through some canvases and pouring over stuff, just playing around. But anyway, I was pretty tickled with how it came out, and I hope that you will like it as well. So let's get right to pouring. So I've got a, this is a, I think, 11 by 14 canvas. Right now that's about all they have in our local art store is this size. They don't have any, I don't know why, they don't have any small ones. But anyway, I'm going to putting down some white for the base. Go ahead and see if I can get all the bubbles out. So what I'm going to be, my colors, I've got, these are DecoArt paints. I've got Oyster Beige, and I love this color. This Plum, it's called Plum Suede. It's a gorgeous color. And then I have Indian Turquoise. I've got my colors mixed here. They are mixed with Sargent Art Pouring Medium. I will have the amounts down below, the recipe, if you will. So what, you know, as I mentioned, this is going to be more or less a Dutch, but you can see the paints are pretty thick for a Dutch pour, but I'm going to spin it. So let's call it a Dutch spin. We'll see how it works here. Okay, so now I've got my paints down, my whatever you call it, my support paint around there. My hairdryer is on the cool setting. Like that. Got seems like an even amount of the suede and the oyster beige and the Indian turquoise all the way around the piece. So now let's spin it and see what we get here. Ready. Oh, that's just pretty to me, folks. I hope that you guys like this. I think that's gorgeous. Spinning it adds this little bit of detail that comes out versus just blowing it all out, and that I really, really, really like. I really, really, really see something there. Oh. I don't know what that is. It looks like a piece of plastic. Oh man. Yeah. There we go. Okay, now I gotta spin and get that to go back somewhere. Get back, Jack. Kind of get my corners to look nice here. Oh, I likey, as my daughter used to say. She would say, later likey. Well, I'm gonna say mama likey. I did screw that little thing up because it had a piece of, I don't know, it looked like a piece of plastic, but you know, it just gives it a little detail, a little character, and that character never hurts, right? Okay, I'm going to stop there. No more spinning, no more touching. Anyway, I think it looks pretty cool. I love the softness. It just looks like an awesome texture to the paints and the colors, and I really, really like it. And hey, I hope you guys do too. And like I said, this was a, I would have to put this in the simple category, easy category, but fun and great results. I hope you think so as well. So don't forget to leave me a comment and a thumbs up. And if you're new to Design by Kathy, I hope you'll subscribe as well. I certainly do appreciate all you subscribers. Don't forget to check out the links below. My Amazon link, the Arteza, the Gen Crafts, and I'll also have the mix of what I did in these paints down below. So everybody have a great day and happy pouring and painting, and I'll see you next time.